Hey everybody, this is Alex Merced, and this broadcast is going to be going to all my data podcasts, mainly because I want to talk to you guys about a couple things that I highly recommend you should listen to. One is basically my new YouTube channel. So I've created a new data YouTube channel where I have videos covering polars, Apache Iceberg, Dremio, Apache Spark, data modeling, all sorts of really good stuff. So I'm going to put that link in the episode description so you can check that out. Also, I created a new sort of link page with all the links to all my data resources. So all the different data podcasts, to my LinkedIn, to my data Twitter, to the data YouTube. You can find all the links there. That'll also be in the episode description. Also, I want you to listen to this podcast episode from a podcast called EM360, where they are interviewing the Dremio Chief Marketing Officer about the state of the Data Lakehouse survey. So the state of the Data Lakehouse survey is a survey that Dremio did to basically dig deep into how people thinking about the Data Lakehouse, how they're adopting the Data Lakehouse. And so there's a lot of really interesting findings. Actually, I'll be doing a presentation about that at the Chill Data Summit in New York City in a few weeks. Actually, I'll be at a bunch of events, Austin for Data Day Texas next Sunday. I'll also be in Nashville for DataTune 2024 in March. So again, if you want to follow what events I'm going to be at, just head over to dremio.com/events. There you'll see the events that I'm at, other events that Dremio is putting on or involved with. So check that out. Again, that's dremio.com/events. I'll put that in the episode description as well. So that's probably the main reason why I haven't done as many episodes recently. I've been traveling a bit and will be traveling a bit and preparing for traveling a bit. But I have put out some new blogs over there in the Dremio.com blog. So you go to dremio.com/blog. I wrote an article about using dbt, about using Apache Arrow, a couple articles about things like data silos and data products and data mesh. So all sorts of really interesting content. So again, I haven't put out too many podcast episodes this year so far, but I have been creating content. So there is stuff for you to check out. And again, all the links, all that will be in the episode description. Again, thank you guys for listening to these shows. Again, there will be more episodes. I will be continuing them. Just been a busy start to 2024, which means it's a sign of a lot of good things to come. And for those of you who know, I've been writing a book called Apache Iceberg, the Definitive Guide. The manuscript is locked and going through the production process now. So be expecting a May release for that. So that's gonna be really exciting. Okay, to see like an actual book with me as one of the authors in bookstores. So that's gonna be an experience. But so that's a thing. Again, you can still get yourself a free copy. Head over to dremio.com. You can find the link to get a free copy of the book in its current state. But with that, I will see you all later. Have a great day and enjoy.